Welcome to the new session. In this session, I am going to discuss about Excel. Okay, I hope you all guys are aware about Microsoft Excel, which is mainly used for as a spreadsheet program. Okay, in I am going to do a series of videos based on this Microsoft Excel also. I have a good knowledge in the Microsoft Excel, so I would like to share all my experience and all about the course of Microsoft Excel. Okay, firstly, let's create a normal Microsoft Excel sheet. Let's name it as work, and let's give a normal Word document, and let's also give Excel work, and let's open the document. Okay, I have created this Word document in order to give you notes. Okay, here let's know like what is Excel. Excel is nothing but it is a spreadsheet program. Excel is nothing but spreadsheet program. It is developed by Microsoft. It is developed by Microsoft, and Excel organizes data in the form of columns and rows, and it allows us to perform mathematical functions. Okay, what kind of softwares we can use this Excel? We can use the Excel in Windows, Mac OS, Android and iOS as well. Okay, here what is meant by an Excel? Excel is like nothing but a spreadsheet program. It is developed by the Microsoft Excel, and also it is developed in 1985 in the starting, in the 1985 year, and also it has gone through lot of modifications, but the priority of the Excel is like it is used for the majorly used as a spreadsheet program to perform mathematical functions majorly, and it is also used in the field of data analytics and some finance and accounting sections as well. The main purpose is like they will use the Excel for data analytics and finance and accounting services. Okay, and the first it has been invented in the 1985 year, sorry, and it has undergone lot of modifications, and but the basic principle of the Excel is the same, remains the same, and it can be used in the Windows operating system and Mac operating system, and also Android and iOS as well. Okay, now Excel is typically used in the following regions. Following regions in the sense following situations. Okay, I have mentioned just as a region, like it can be used in the following regions, which I am going to say in name. It is like analysis department, and also data entry department, and also accounting department, and also budgeting department, and also programming department, and also financial modeling department, the major the major departments are these departments, like in the analysis in the sense, it will come like data analysis and data management department as well, and also data entry department and accounting department, budgeting department, programming, financial. All these departments are majorly belongs to under this mathematical function departments as well. And there are much more departments also, but these are the major departments which Excel is used in nowadays and in the olden days as well. Okay, after, let's know why should we use Excel, only Excel. Excel is the only one spreadsheet program in the world. It means in the worldwide, Excel is the only spreadsheet program which can be used for the mathematical functions, and also it is very easy to learn and perform. Okay, third one is like sorry third one is the skill is very high to use, which means that we can do more advanced things um, by using this, and we can be more advanced as well after performing, like our skills will be developed more after using this, like we can perform more advanced things and we can become more better as well after using this. And it can be used, saying it can be used, like we could say like it is useful for both work and, like it, like we have both functions, like it can be used for the home purpose and also everyday life as well, like and it has huge community support as well. Like you can get support from the Microsoft always, and also there is a very good community support as well, like it is continuously support, and if you get any errors also, you can, it can be resolved very easily. And if you get any errors also, not automatically there will be a lot of error messages which will be thrown here, so that you can turn your error into another thing. Okay, and templates and frameworks can also be reused by yourself and others, like templates and frameworks can be reused by ourselves with lowering the creation cost. And this is what the major uses of Excel, like why should we use the Excel, uh, only Excel. Like Excel is the only spreadsheet which will be used worldwide for doing all mathematical functions, and the Excel is very easy to learn and perform, and your skill set will be developed automatically after starting using the Excel. And also it is used for both work and everyday life as well. It has a good community support and continuously supported by the Microsoft organization. And there will be a lot of templates and frameworks which can be reused by ourselves. It will help in reducing your creation costs. Okay, and you do not need You do not need any prior experience in using Excel sorry or programming in Excel to learn this. This is the major point I will mention in the red line. Like, you do not need any prior experience to use the Excel or else to perform in Excel, or else in order to learn this course as well, you do not need any prior experience or any certification or any degree to learn Excel. Okay, so everyone, like a 10th class student or intermediate student or graduate, there is no particular particular designation is not needed to learn Excel. Okay, everyone can learn Excel and everyone can perform Excel. And Excel is completely an interesting subject. Like lot of young graduates, they are not thinking about the Excel, but Excel is really a very good platform to perform all the mathematical functions, because we have a lot of things to learn in Excel. And Excel is like a ocean. Like, if you are continuously learning, then the subject will not complete as soon as possible. Okay, so that's all for this session, guys. I hope you guys understood like what is meant by an Excel, and why should we excel or use Excel, and what kind of departments we will typically use for Excel. But in our upcoming sessions, I am not going to cover these departments. Like I have mentioned, like in these departments the Excel is going to be performed. And my upcoming sessions will be like I'm going to explain all about like what are the worksheet and how does the Excel looks like. And I will explain each and every configuration which is present in the Excel, how to perform them. And I would give you some examples as well in the ending sessions. Okay, and I would guide like how to, if there is any particular interviews based on this Excel, then you can use this and you can crack the interviews. Okay, thank you guys. I hope you guys understood well about this session, and I hope you guys will follow my upcoming series as well. And I request you to bless with me by giving a like and sharing these videos to your friends who request Excel support, and subscribe this channel for more upcoming sessions. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.